Welcome, Info is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now before we get started, we will need a cable, and you just need to plug it into your computer. So once you have that ready, hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. And when it has, what you want to do is hold volume up, and while holding volume up, simply plug it in. And there we go, we're now in recovery mode. So we can unplug the cable, it's not needed anymore. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Again, select factory data reset. Now before you actually press it, keep in mind that this process will remove all the data from the device. That includes photos, videos, anything that have placed on that device after the setup will be completely gone. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but assuming you have done it or you don't want to, press power key and simply wait for it to finish here. As you can see, data wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will continue the process in the background, and once it's finished, you should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and if you want to, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.